Alarming headline from CNN. Woman charged with murder after losing her pregnancy. A South Carolina woman had a miscarriage and was charged with murder, a direct consequence of the Republican abortion ban in the state, CNN reports. I saw it as a screen cap on Twitter X by this account I've never heard of, and it just says, "This is only the beginning, folks." And when I saw it, it had 5 million views, with tons of comments talking about how we want the Handmaid's Tale, etc. Really weird that South Carolina would charge a woman with murder because of the abortion ban when the text of the South Carolina law says that a pregnant woman may not be criminally prosecuted if she has an abortion. So I go and I find the actual article and I read it, and if you make it all the way to paragraph 35, Solicitor David Pascoe, a Democrat, said the issues of abortion and reproductive rights weren't relevant to the case. It has nothing to do with that, he told KFF Health News. So what happened? Amari Marsh gave birth to a live, premature daughter at home on a toilet. Blood everywhere. An article describes her totally panicking. She calls 911. Emergency dispatchers repeatedly tell her to take the daughter out of the toilet, and she does not. She says somewhere in the article, "I couldn't because I couldn't even keep myself together." By the time first responders get there, the daughter is still in the toilet, but she also still has signs of life, and they try to do life-saving measures. They take her to a hospital. She does not survive. The arrest warrant for Marsh lists the fact that she did not move her daughter out of the toilet as a proximate cause of death. A grand jury decided that there wasn't enough to move forward with a criminal trial, and the case was dropped. Here's my question. What does that have to do with abortion bans? Pro-choice people are always assuring us that abortion has nothing to do with infanticide and that nobody is leaving children to die after they're born alive, and that it's ridiculous for us to suggest as much, right? So here we have a story where a child is born alive and she's left to die, and she does die, and people are saying that criminalization of that is because of abortion bans? Are you saying that abortion bans could be related to infanticide? Are we saying that if we as a society say you shouldn't leave live infants to drown in toilets, then that is somehow criminalizing pregnancy outcomes? Is the idea that if we acknowledge live born premature infants as human beings who merit any kind of consideration or protection, then that is threatening to abortion rights? I don't know, pro-choice people in the comments, can someone explain it to me? If we say you shouldn't be allowed to leave a born alive child to die, how is that a threat to abortion rights?